Memo akwaba de ba GCN page so meeting e de adwoa searching. Mesra subscribe to my channel. Fa onsa me abel ne so. Ube ya notification video bia benye bi ahwe. Efo kwamela e na okase na utie ni din na utim se ampa ofi Volta region. Na ode ensem bi atodwa ne nsem a okay na ne se ono ofi NDC party ni mu ache ye papa way back 96 e na ofi party ni mu ojai party no nechidi ache ye papa na sisi ne mpaibo yina na ne dai so ne say Volta region fu yina be come together na omo ho suspension efi NDC amayoko ni mu na de nti a owura efo e ka sei na ene say na sei e na ebeto odwa se NDC fo mpanifo atena se aya adwen baako atro krata e de ama eye owura Koku Anyid0ho a oye former deputy general secretary de ma NDC amayoko no na enipa ne nsa e hye krata na se eye general secretary de ma NDC amayoko no owura esiedu nketia e na ne nsa e hye krata na se na eno e na owura efo e kire se ade a NDC fo mpanifo ni bi eye no enye kra na we kra ka ho ensemfo bi senti ena ono fi party ni mu ache na efo e de ensem we etudwa e wa abra asempa FM program a omo efre no ekosi sen a obi ena o host sa program no political talk show na eno ena Sami Jemfi a oye communications officer e de ema NDC amayoko no ekoye interview e wo ho na eno ena obi bisa ne se Sami na sei krata bi ababonten na emu ensem ne se mo ama owura Koku Anyid0ho suspension na eyampa Sami Jemfi e kire se yo eyampa na eno ena obisan so ebisa se na suspension na modi ama no da ben time be na mbesan so afre no enti fiti ende kwe owura Koku Anyid0ho entumi enfre no se oye NDC ni ana na Sami Jemfi se an sa ena ete pepepe until say omo besan so atena se na omo take decision say owura Koku Anyid0ho betumi asanso aba party ni mu bio na sa ensemi mu ena efo ema comment e wo video na se ena oche se wa hwe wenti ena mefi NDC party ni mu dadada no mempense mhu bia na ono nijidi nyina ne se owura Koku Anyid0ho ono so efi eye Volta region enti ne se mo ama no suspension dia eni na NDC fo mo Volta region na anka ebeye mo final suspension e wo NDC party ni mu na chese anka mo so fa anka mo na mo be eni owura Koku Anyid0ho enya suspension dia eni na NDC fo mo Volta region na mo so enko suspension na yenti ensema owura efo ede etudwa o chese this is the final suspension of Volta region from the NDC. I left in 96 and hope all Volta region lives in solidarity. Intino and some way and ura efo komela ede etudwa.
Esan se me ni nya adwinti no se be me fa me nsa enkoso ne mene. What? Ubia ede ne ho.
In this here lamentations we know but bazameti as you e dey pa na NDC for aya because Peter Kasa was say well on an agreement on the Koku ye no ekotia NDC constitution into this suspension. Which part of the suspension and your right?
That's the point.
You see,
because a pending further investigation.
What is that very intriguing question? Na asem we bisa ni nyina ne fa pem ne se ubisa sa asem no na bisa ho se sabe Koku Anyid0ho so we dina simpie so edi yera John Dramani Mahama atamana. That is one.
And I say where is not about Mahama. Where is about NDC?
Me kasen we o de mami
Peter Mr. Ma kwablanka na sem.
Bisa ho se yera Koku Anyid0ho Koku
Debbie. Enye Koku
ku
aha
yeah, that's it. Yera Koku Anyid0ho bisa ho se NDC as a political party what did you make be a potea ubeka say the progress of the party no papa e to na say aden a wakoka na adwen you see na o kasa no ubisa Peter say de mu ye Kwaku yi amanfo kasa mu ye intolerant ya kasa obi ye intolerance a Send nipa ne de obeka no tembia opese eye final. Yen chichiri oman sa tembia no even ufie mpo a sebe wawo omba a wone oyerete no. Ube say ubetimi awo akola ba ku ofie wa that child always speaks his or her mind. Sa akola no you be surprised say ono na sebe wan sha because of that boldness, that ability to speak truth to power. Sa akola no ono ba be akola the whole family would have to run to in terms of him because nipa wey yenim say odi enima no kradie obehwe wanim sebe wo pu na oto aduane ma na obehwe wanim aka say sebe de wo ye na enya enye na Peter eye me ja say enka me no wo mpo de enka samre na wo say enka we have to have a sober reflection na yetimi assess say eh na empo no impenifo ma bedi party yenim impenifo a more or less they are be the face of this party abrahu here ye say ye ne MPP eko etam no ene sani pay so kana adwen ahwede ye de ye no na me Peter mensa a sebe afia me pejam ho kakra yi se manokopa ewo radio so a what will be my fate
Ediana mo national chairman former national chairman Paula Foko ye yin dia mo pamono and I'm suspended they reporting na Paula Foko what did he do
Oka Paula Foko asema
me bizaza what did he do why then
ehu be hia say sebe efi a aba na edi Koku asema ye ken minia say hawa me ha me intimen twema adwen ko Paula Foko hu because Paula Foko asema ne de Yampanto cheni ye address issue we. Later we buy unim say in 24 hours.
Yeah.
Do you know that Koku Anyid0ho unim say our family. Unim say the family members because of his staunch and religious support for NDC. Into this will affect the family. Sometimes very sabe yankum dwafo endidwa. Efie bia mensa wom. Na enye me hwanwa adenti na enye me hwanwa because even almost former regional chairman Uncle Alute Shejuma ami ankasa menua Sami Jemfi ede ye no ma me kasa me cho tama na Sami Jemfi tech KNUST PR no na me so me TESCON secretary that was 2011
okay
inti me pa sabi ya hwabom pa Shejuma dia menua Sami Jemfi ede ye chairman Alute Papa ka say onkasa o radio so biom da efutuo ewo we ensakra nipa agese ensohwe de papa ka no eno ni nya na abemu na de mo de ye Koku Peter esuko ne ma te say what say me abetina ha na sebe I retract if you are offended I retract but just to say we are all up and coming politicians. To put it in rightful context, we are all up and coming politicians. Uni mama for a station where because of Koku Anyid0ho, sabe they hold NDC to high esteem. We are sir that chibino and they are the ayo but chinebi ebiane the ayo. Me de manu esi. Okay.
Debbie Peter, my young call.
Na me patrol. I say yasam na bana said ye no cancer no one TBB and through Mr. Wanika one and your me as happen I met from Mr.
Just 1 minute.
With the obey me at 1 minute for me next submission time.
1 minute,
just 1 minute, Mr. You see, menu mafu. Yeah, in Sembu, we should be cautious and we should learn. You see, you will be talking, no, Biaka, you are a double standard person, and then you are being hypocritical. You are not being realistic to the issues we are speaking to. One, at the end, and there was grounds are more there than a suspending will be. As a young man, my catcher said, we are all learning. A son say, a party money a dome, and to the party nano becono, they be a making sure say, a woman say, one cotton crowagene. But party in your suits, you have to join the group think. And I'm as a student of Paul, one of the subjects I'm sharing there. Organizational theory. In organizational theory, we have what we call the group think. you have individual views or individual opinion, but as far as you belong to a group, no, when a group take a decision, you are whipped in line. And I will be no the OCS say yes, but the group no decide you don't go contrary to what the group think. Now uncle media, uncle public, Peter, when you speak contrary to what the group think, the point in say don't interrupt. People are listening. One of us said discerning minds are listening. What's who making the point is say yemfanya this year say can say you making sure say most times we don't go contrary to what the party says. Even impo say your contrary viewer, your party constitution, you should have a way to present your contrary view. Now you're situated within the law, now you find the ends of it. You don't go beyond still what the party thinks.
Right.
And it happens in your boots our right question. No? Now what do you say? Or what do you know about that? Apola Foko, you know, near Buzia. You were your friend said, Quadraja upon near Buzia. Now, I don't know what we say. You see, irrespective of no, we have to let. But the last point I said, maybe and as a boss, he didn't do anything to he didn't do anything to chairman. Your friend is saying, Anyid0ho Jacob. Let me put it down on record. You are Sami Jamfi, and I can tell you, say, one of the guys are not all defending. You are Anyid0ho Jacob. You're a Sami Jamfi, but you don't know. So I just say, so you can engage in this propagandist approach, but people are listening. Say you are a young politician coming. Okay. This is not decorous. This is not decorous. You just have to conduct yourself. People are listening.
Okay.
No, people are listening.
Okay.
We have gone past this strategy.
Gentlemen, your microphones are off at this point. Now, it was for Mama Young call the next subject, Supreme Court. Now, yes, see what Supreme Court is see and the young. If you must say, if you must say, as some now, at the end of the baby, watching the proceedings there.